This is my background video clip and this is the still image I'm going to animate. So first of all, put the playhead at the beginning of your image clip. Now select the image clip and go to Inspector. Under Video, here, add a keyframe for zoom. Also add a keyframe for rotation angle. And if you want to move your image horizontally and vertically, then add a keyframe for position. And then move your playhead at the end of your clip. And now here we will zoom our clip. So I'm just adding some zoom and position. I'm just positioning from horizontal or vertical just like this. And also I'm adding some rotation. Now let's play our timeline. And here we can see the image is now moving. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.